This is the Frugal Gardener, and it is potato harvest time again. So, one of my favorite things that I like to do is to guess how many potatoes I am going to harvest today. These are Yukon Golds, and they are about 2.5 months old. I am going to use this a little bit, but I don't like to use it too much because it can bruise the potatoes. I can already see that I have some. The question becomes, how many? Well, starting out with the small one, but I can see there's some larger ones here. Some of these look like they're gonna be pretty nice. Let's see. Okay. This is always, whoa. This is probably the biggest potato that I've gotten in a while. So I'm already happy with what I'm seeing. I have I intercrop, so I have something coming up on the other side. Wow. Oh, this is great. Look at the size of that. These are coming up pretty good. Here's another one. I'm already satisfied with what I have because of the size, not so much of the volume, but because of the amount of potatoes that I'm pulling up from just this one pot. Just going to work my way over this way and see what I can pull up from here. I'm also growing Greater Northern beans in here. Wow. This by far is the biggest potatoes that I can remember ever growing. The size of these are more than well worth the effort that I put into this one pot, and I'm still not done. I'm going to start a limited series for people who want to garden and don't have a budget at all. You don't need a lot of money to start gardening. You can start with just 1 or 2 pots. This container here I did pay for, but you don't have to. If you look around and use your imagination, there are several ways you can start your garden. I am down to my last plant, and there's even more here. Oh my goodness. Yep. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at the size of these boys. These, I believe, are Yukon Golds, and this was well worth taking the time to plant these. I plant these early. This is 4th of July weekend here in the US, and because I planted these in the early spring, this is the reason why I'm able to get an early harvest, because now I can replant, which I intend to do either today or tomorrow. More than likely it's going to be tomorrow because it looks like rain. And I'm going to use this space again to plant something to go with these beans that are coming up on the other side, which is in this area here. But right now, I think that's it. There might be one or two more hiding around, but that's fine because I don't want to keep you guys. I never like to hold you longer than necessary, but I wanted to film this harvest. Here's another one here. This one here. This I will replant. So at this point, and here's another one. So they're still coming. And basically, wanted to give you guys an idea of what I was getting out of this area, out of this one pot. And this looks like pretty much what the haul is going to be today. Again, great haul, nice sized potatoes. Usually I get a couple of big ones and a couple little puny ones, but today was the mother load for this one pot. I mean, I've seen people that have big fields and it's kind of a hit or miss, but with this today, and I'm still pulling potatoes, so camera's still rolling. At this point, I am going to let you guys go. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not even counting the small one. So we got 8 really good size potatoes out of here, and that is going to be it for today. If I get any more, I'll post it, but like I said, that's it for now. I'm a happy camper. This is the Frugal Gardener. Thanks for spending some time with me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video.